The Supreme Court is preparing to rule on Tennessee's ban on gender-affirming medical care for minors, a highly debated issue that has seen a rise in attention from both sides of the political spectrum. This case is set to be a significant moment in the upcoming term, reflecting society's complex discussions about the care for transgender youths. Tennessee's law, enacted in March 2023, prohibits hormone therapy and puberty blockers for minors intending to align with a gender different from their birth sex. It imposes civil penalties for healthcare providers who defy the ban, yet stops short of barring surgeries, as the legal challenge only encompasses other gender-affirming treatments. Republican lawmakers argue that decisions on such therapies should be delayed until individuals reach adulthood, emphasizing the potential irreversible effects and experimental nature of the treatments. Supporters of the restrictions, including the Tennessee state lawmakers, insist the law is about protecting children from potentially harmful and irreversible treatments until they are mature enough to make such critical decisions. From this perspective, ensuring the safety and well-being of minors is paramount, and the state has a duty to intervene. On the other hand, plaintiffs, including the Biden administration, families of transgender minors, and medical professionals, argue that the law violates the 14th Amendment by discriminating based on sex and infringing on parental rights to decide on their children's medical care. They also highlight medical evidence suggesting these treatments significantly alleviate the distress associated with gender dysphoria, a condition where one's gender identity conflicts with their birth sex. In September 2023, the 6th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in Cincinnati upheld Tennessee's decision, reversing a lower court ruling that had blocked the law. This decision set the stage for the Supreme Court's involvement, with significant implications for over 20 states that have enacted similar bans on gender-affirming care for minors. Major medical organizations advocate that these treatments are essential and effective for treating gender dysphoria and could potentially be life-saving, making the ban a controversial and emotional subject for many families affected by it. The Biden administration joined the legal challenge, urging the Supreme Court to resolve this deeply polarizing topic and hinting at the broader legislative impact this decision could have. This isn't the first time the Supreme Court has confronted such contentious issues surrounding LGBT rights. While the court has often leaned towards upholding protections and rights for gay and transgender individuals, as in their 2020 ruling protecting against workplace discrimination, conservative views remain strongly divided on how far such protections should extend into medical and family life. As the nation watches, the Supreme Court's upcoming decision will not only address Tennessee's law, but also influence the legislative landscape across almost half the country, marking another pivotal moment in the ongoing dialogue around transgender rights and state intervention in personal healthcare decisions.